Hello everyone. In this video, I want to share you some of the apps that are intended to display the weather in a beautiful user interface. And this is currently what you are watching on the screen is called Meteo app, MeteoEarth. It was developed by one of the Deutsche GmbHs. You can see the beautiful 3D Earth lying in the space, wandering around like a lost spaceship in the Milky Way galaxy. So the UI is very interestingly developed. You can see the night part, and they embedded the International Space Station views onto the map, and it has been done very beautifully. We can add the cities by clicking the city's name, and it will show the international times beside its name. And I've added New York, San Francisco, Cape Town, Shanghai, Buenos Aires, Tokyo, and Bangalore, of course. And then you can search the city's name here, Sydney for instance. So if I type Sydney, yep, and then it will display. The temperatures basically by default they are in Fahrenheit, and we can change it to Celsius or Kelvin depending on the region. So let's zoom. You can see the darkest part of the earth, and you can see the 23.5 degree, the inclination because of which we are experiencing the different seasons. So this is the bright day of the right side of the earth. So you can see the temperature by clicking on the temperature option. The red part is extreme being, and violet is a very cold. So we can't see the violet in the Nama Pass near the equatorial parts, and we can see the violet part in Antarctica. So whatever you will see, the green color and yellow color are nearly 20 to 30, and the blue color is probably 5 to 10, and less than like slightly violet. You can see the whole of the Canada is blue, and the green, and some part of the USA is slightly orange. That means it is 17 to 25. You can click the information I to get in touch with the color indications and respective temperatures. So India, and this video is made somewhere between summer and the rainy season. So you can see the precipitation here, the same color indications. You can see the color indications. Blue, it's not like extreme raining. Violet is extreme raining here. Dark blue is heavy raining. We can see the heavy raining in the Indonesia, Sumatra, Kalimantan, West Kalimantan, and near the Tasmania, near the New Zealand, and those are the southern part of the hemisphere. You can see the violet color here. It is what indicates the extreme raining here. And then you can see some part of the Ecuador and northern South America, and there is a raining currently is being done in New York. And then DC Congo near Djibouti, India is not raining right now. And then next, cloud cover. You can click the cloud cover. It will take some time to display all the, I would not say it is absolute conditions we are experiencing right now. And the UI has been done very logically, so that wherever it shows the heavy clouds, it will show the lightning there. You can see, observe, and the slightest like lightnings in the form of alpha. They just increase and decrease the alpha in the code. You can see how the Carolinas effect is taking place in the hemispheres near, and they are forming into hurricanes. There is a much cloud cover in the southern part of the South America, in Buenos Aires, and we can't see much of the cloudings in near the London, and New York is completely covered as it was showing in the raining there, and Greenland, of course, You can see some of the hurricanes forming. It's due to Carolina's effect and due to centrifugal force, and near DC Congo you can observe a bit of a raining. And then in India it's not significant, and you can trace the wind patterns. Wind patterns are nothing but how the ocean winds and how the hurricanes drift all these trade winds and some of the winds that help the navigators to jump into several continents for the trade and some other facts. So this may be not helpful for us, and it may play a crucial part for the navigators and sailors. You can see how the wind is drifting towards the land from the oceans. You can see the storm there, Lily. I would not say you can see the storm all the time, because it is present right now. The time when I was making this video, it is moving actually. You can see that you can trace the violet color path near the Sydney barrier reef, and you can see the 23-degree slightly the slope due to which seasons are happening, without which life wouldn't exist on Earth. This is the pressure expressed in bars. Everything, every parameter is expressed in the color codes. You can refer the color codes by clicking on the information tab. So currently we can see the heavy pressure near the Sri Lanka and Myanmar. And then this is the Earth. This is represented in 3D. So this is settings. You can change the city lights, combine layers, favorites, country borders. It can be casted in Apple TV. This is the climate view. It removes the sun and shows the day for whole the globe, and if you click forecast view, it will display the sun there lies 15 crore kilometers. It is a non 3D, and it can be seen in the clocks. You might have seen in some of the Apple watches and iPads, and this is the 3D view. It is beautifully carved. So I recommend to use the 3D structure because it enhances our imagination how the voyage of the Earth in this infinite ocean called space has been carrying out since 13.8 billion years. Not sure. And then you can zoom anywhere by clicking double tap, and you can come out by swiping. And this is India. You can see wherever the big city is present, and it is a satellite map actually embedded on the map. It shows the high density. You can change the timings by sliding this bar. It is by default it is for one day. I think you are observing Saturday at 12 o'clock in the morning and up to the 6 o'clock in the next evening. If you want to observe the trends and forecast for next 4 days, and then you have to purchase it, you can restore the purchase. I don't know the cost, so you have to purchase by paying something to them, Deutsche GmbH, if you want to observe the forecast for next 4 days. It is I would not say it is the most accurate, but it is very good app just for the sake of knowledge, and also it almost 80% true. I have tried it during the rainy season, during the summer season, during the winter. So this is the new MeteoEarth app. So I would recommend you to download. It is basically designed for iPhone, iOS, but you can also find it in a App Store. But I don't think Android App Store is very convenient than this App Store. What this app has been designed in a Swift code. I don't know about the bugs in the Java code, but I can say that this is very helpful.